Have you ever encountered these issues? And I recently encountered these issues when I trying to update my phone to 14.5 developer beta 1, and this is what happened. So it just say estimating time remaining and it keeps stuck forever. Now let me show you how you can fix it. So first you're gonna go back and make sure you go to date and time, and all you have to do turn off set automatically. So make sure this option is turned off, and you need to set your date into the next 2 months. So you can go ahead and set 2 months in the future. For example, now I am in February. I can just skip into April. Let's say it is second, and then you can see software update failed. So don't worry about it. Just go back, and then I'm gonna go all the way back. Go to my Wi-Fi. Click on the eye icon, and make sure low data mode is turned off. This is very important. And then I can just go ahead and go to general and go to software update one more time. And now I can click on download and install, hit on continue, and now you can wait for the process, and I'm gonna wait about like 4 to 5 minutes, and you're gonna see it is working. And you can see now it is fully working. So we have 52 minutes left, and I don't know why it was happening for me, and these issues I encountered about a day ago, and it was happened when I am trying to update my phone to 14.5 developer beta 1. And I hope these issues is fixed on yours as well, and then I will see you guys in the next one.